In this training video, I'm going to show you a few ways to personalize your user account. Let's get started. Users can add a profile image to their user account. To do this, locate your name on the top right and click on Add. Locate the image from your computer and click Upload. Reposition the image and click Save. The information in your user profile can be updated as well. Click on your profile picture to expand the window, then click on My Account. The first and last name can be updated along with your phone number and email address. Please note you can use your user ID or email address to sign into the site. There are some optional settings like language and homepage you can select from. You can change your password by entering a new password and then confirming the password. If you have Aliquot enabled, you will be able to enter your data through the app. A closing signature can be saved under your profile. Once set, any reports created by you will include your closing signature in the report. Click on the Add Signature button if you would like to include a drawing of your signature. And click Save when ready. Report phrases can be saved under your profile to reduce the time you spend typing up frequently used phrases. To create your own report phrases, locate the report phrases under the User Management section. Click on My Report Phrases. You will see phrases created by the system administrators. These phrases cannot be modified or deleted. Click on Add to save your own phrases. Enter a frequently used phrase. Please note that these phrases will be available for you in Aliquot as well. The phrase can be categorized into categories created by the system administrator. Assign the phrase to a client, and then click Save when ready. Return back to your list to edit or delete phrases as needed. You have now completed a few items that will add some personal touches to your report. I hope you found this video helpful, and please contact your system administrators if you have any additional questions. Thank you!